A very good afternoon and welcome to Gradeup. My name is Abhishek Singh and I welcome you all in this really crucial session. And guys, let me tell you that in this class today, we are going to discuss about a very small but very crucial topic. That is, the Ministry of Heavy Industry launched 6 technological missions, right? 6 innovative technological missions. So about that, which are we going to discuss? Okay, everyone. So make sure that you are live here. As soon as you are here in the class, guys, please share this video, share the link of this class with all of your friends so that they can also join in along with you. And I hope that all of you are doing great. So guys, this is for those who are watching it for the first time. My name is Abhishek Singh and I have been guiding the UPSC aspirants since 2017. And my journey at UPSC has gone up to the interview in 2013, and in the mains I had appeared in 2014 and 2018. So guys, let us start it without any further delay. Hello Tanvi, good afternoon. Ajumin, good afternoon. Good afternoon Vivekananda. So guys, what is this 6 technological mission? What are these 6 technological missions? So the context is, first of all, you all must have taken some lectures. In fact, I had taken a class related to the production linked incentive schemes. Okay, production linked incentive schemes, and it was launched last year, okay, to create the global manufacturing majors in India. Guys, we all know that under the Make in India initiative, the government had also started the PLI scheme, or the production linked incentive scheme, under which the manufacturing sector was to be given a major incentives based upon their scale of production, right? So under that, basically the 6 platforms are introduced by the Ministry of Heavy Industries. Okay, so what is the first platform here? That is Drishti. That's called as Drishti. The first platform is called Drishti. It is developed by the Central Manufacturing Technology Institute, that is the CMTI Bengaluru, and it focuses on the machine tool sector, right? Machine tool sector. Guys, we all know that machine tools, they form a big component of the India's imports, right? And this is why Drishti is the Central Manufacturing Technology Initiative that focuses on the machine tool sector. All right. Also, the next mission says that the Hindustan Machine Tools, right? Hindustan Machine Tools, in the association with the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, that has also developed the technology and innovation platform. That is the technology and innovation platform, all right, that focuses upon the import reduction in the machine tool sector. Got it? Then there is a Sanrachana. What is this Sanrachana? So guys, Sanrachana is basically, it is basically to develop the you can say digital platform, right? And it is developed by the BHEL, and it will focus upon the renewable energy and power electronics sector. Good afternoon, Amit. Very good afternoon. So guys, nowadays we all must be aware that the renewable energy is a sector where India is in fact taking the leaps and bounds, and Sanrachana is also another initiative related to that, where BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, we all must be aware about this. It is a major giant Maharatna. So this organization will be, or this company will be actually providing the technical support for the Sanrachana, which will be the digitally enabled platform that will focus on the renewable energy and power electronics. Sanrachana, renewable energy, power electronics. Please remember this. Then the Kite Initiative, the 4th initiative, that is the Kite Initiative. And here the Kite stands for the knowledge integration for the technology enrichment. Okay, knowledge integration for Technology Enrichment. So guys, this platform was developed by IIT that is focused on the virtual reality, automation, advanced manufacturing technology, and robotics, right? So you might have heard about the upcoming fields of engineering that includes the artificial intelligence. You must have heard about that, right? Artificial intelligence. You must have heard about the 3D printing, right? So guys, these are relatively quite new technologies, and not just that, 3D printing is also one of the parts of the advanced manufacturing technology. You all must have gone through the CNC machines. Okay, CNC machines are basically, they are used in the mechanical production, right? With the help of the codes, we can get the finished goods if we supply the raw material, and at the end we will be receiving the finished tools. Okay, mostly the tool operations or machine operations are done through the help of CNC. Those students who might be aware about the lathe, so they must be aware about the CNC also. Okay, then comes the robotics. So guys, robotics is I think nowadays taking leaps and bounds, right? We must have heard about the robotics. In fact, you call them as the humanoid robots, right? Humanoid robots. And in fact, can somebody tell me that which was that robot developed by Saudi Arabia, and that robot exactly talked and understood the language of the human beings and had some thinking capacity as well? Tell me guys, quickly reply in the comment box that what was the name of that robot developed by Saudi Arabia. Okay, that starts with S. I'm giving you a plain hint, starts with S. Okay, now fifth initiative or the fifth innovation, that is the Aspire initiative. Okay, what is this Aspire? It stands for the Automotive Solutions Portal for the Technology Enrichment. Guys, apart from the electronics and the IT oriented mechanized tools, IT oriented manufacturing sector, basically the you can say tools and basically the products and the gadgets that will facilitate the Internet of Things, okay, IoT. Apart from these, automobile sector is that sector in which India, it is performing exceptionally great, and it has the potential to perform even greater. So Aspire is that initiative called as the Automotive Solution Portal for Technology Enrichment. That platform by the International Center for Automotive Technology, ICAT or ICAT, it focuses on the automotive technology. So basically, you must be aware that India is you must be aware that India is one of the largest producers of the two-wheeler automobiles. Okay, India is also one of the leading exporters of the two-wheeler automotives, and India sees a great future in the manufacturing of the four-wheeler automotives, in the manufacturing of the industrial automobile solutions, and in the manufacturing of the upcoming futuristic e-mobility solutions. E-mobility solutions, right? I had already taken a class related to the government clearance to the facilitation of the easy chargeable battery to provide a great run to the e-vehicles or electric vehicles in India. Okay, I have already taken a session that will be on the YouTube. You can check that out as well, right? So this Aspire is another great initiative under the Ministry of the Heavy Industries. Then Tech Novus. Okay, Tech Novus, what is that? It is the platform by Automotive Research Association of India, focuses on the sustainable mobility, guys, R&D solution. Okay, R&D, that is research and development solution in the field of the automotive. Okay, we all know that the technology is continuously evolving, and for example, we must be aware about the carburetors, we must be aware about the you can say pressurized fuel injection systems, but nowadays we are having the electronic fuel injection system right? Or we are having, you can say even the speedometer technology is also changed. So simple things. Engine, you talk about the filtration of the fuel in the engine, that is also changed. Okay, so these simple but innovative things have led to the complete overhauling of the automotive sector. Okay, so guys, let me just revise it once again for you, that which are these 6 platforms. Drishti, that is developed by the Central Manufacturing Technology, that will focus on the machine tool sector. Technology and Innovation Platform developed by the HMT and IISC, that will also focus on the machine tool sector. So 2 platforms for the machine tool sector. 2 platforms for machine tool sector. Which are they? First one was Drishti and second one was HMT plus IISC sponsored. What was the name? Technology and Innovation Platform. Okay. Third, that is Sanrachana. It is a digitally enabled platform by BHEL. We all just saw that. Sanrachana by BHEL. That is the third one. Fourth one, that is the Kite. Kite is developed by the IITs. Okay, and it is focused upon the VR, automation, advanced manufacturing technology. So basically the use of the electronics in the manufacturing sector, electronics and IT that is used in the manufacturing sector through the Kite. What is Aspire and what is Technovus? Basically Aspire and Technovus are these are the automotive related solution portals and research association. Okay, so total 6 initiatives which are proposed or which are being established by the Ministry of Heavy Industries in India. Okay, so guys, you must be thinking that what type of questions can come from this particular part. So I will be telling you in the last of this class lecture that the probable questions, what type of questions can come from this topic. All right, now let us see something else. What are the 4 pillars? What are the pillars on which these platforms are basically located? Guys, there are total 4 pillars. The first one, that is the industry. See, it is very simple, very logical that until and unless any particular innovation, any particular research or development, if that has no demand in the market, no demand in the industry, that is, it is commercially non-viable. So guys, that is not going to be a successful development in our research work or in our industrial research. So industries are the major platform which are demanding for the technology development. So these 6 missions will be fulfilling those demands. So first pillar, the industry that needs the technology development, right? Evolving industries. Second, that is PSUs and universities which develop these technologies. So basically the organizations or the companies like BHEL, Indian Institute of Science, IITs, right? These or Hindustan Machine Tools, these companies or the universities which develop these technologies to fulfill the demand of the industries, they are the second major pillar. Academia and the students who host the development process. Guys, we all understand one thing, that the university research lab facilities, infrastructure, machineries, all are just useless if there is no human brain which is using all these things. Okay, so that is the third major pillar or third component that will be building the 6 technological platforms. R&D centers. So academia and the students, they can only work when they are provided the ample opportunities, ample support, both financial and technical support or the academic support in the research and development centers, right? So these are the 4 pillars or the 4 major platforms, okay, that will facilitate the development of these technological innovations which we discussed about. What are they? Just enlist these. First is the industry, which will be serving as the demand creator. Second, the PSUs and the centers of universities that develop these technologies. Third is the academia and the students who conduct the research and all that. And fourth, the research and development centers. So these are the platforms, or these are the four pillars of the technological platforms. Okay. And the significance, what is the significance of the innovation platforms about which we are discussing here in this session? So guys, some of the significant points we have already enlisted here. That first of all, it will be providing the connectivity and knowledge integration. Connectivity with what? Connectivity in the need, right? In the need and the supply, or the demand and the supply, that will be connected, and sectors of the different field, they will be connected via the technological bridges. Okay, so that will be possible because of the knowledge integration. Then it will be facilitating the skill development. No need to say that the development of these technological innovations or technological platforms, that will definitely require a lot of research and development work. That will definitely require a lot of the upliftment of the technical skills. So naturally, it will facilitate the skill development process. And same goes for the collaborative R&D. What is the meaning of collaborative R&D? The research and development that takes place by the collaboration of the different players. Different players, as if, for example, industry and academia, they are combining together. I just gave you the example of the IISc Bengaluru and Hindustan Machine Tools combining together and developing the new products or the new technologies. Indigenization of technology, obviously guys, we are dependent on the imports of major manufacturing technology, technical tools, or the technical solutions, or the softwares. But take the point that if these innovation platforms are successful in India, guys, we will be having our own, our indigenous technology of manufacturing and the related things. And last but not the least, that is the most significant point, in fact, according to me, that these platforms will be serving as the knowledge repository and will also be helpful for the knowledge exchange. Guys, we know it very well that in order to create a global impact, right? In order to create a global impact, we means India, that needs to have such a solid and such a concrete work in the field of technology, in the field of the innovation, in the field of the research and development, that we can create the need of such technology in the overseas markets. Guys, I hope that you all must be aware that this CoWIN platform, right? Very recent example I am giving to you, CoWIN platform, right? Which is, I think everybody must be aware now that registration portal is there, and we can get ourselves registered for the upcoming doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, right? So this platform is such an example which has been demanded by number of countries in for their facilitations. So guys, just imagine that it is just a situational opportunity. Just imagine the scenario where we will be in such a strong position technically that we will be exporting the technological solutions to the other countries, and our position will be definitely equivalent to that of Japan, Germany, or USA, right? Even China is also taking a great benefit in this field, right? So guys, don't misunderstand that today also India is one of the leading exporters of the pharma, one of the leading exporters of the you can say tools and machineries, one of the leading exporters of the software solutions. Guys, outsourcing, that is the most important, that is the biggest component in the software solutions. We are not writing the genuine softwares, we are not making the genuine softwares for our own purpose. We are doing it for the other MNCs, for the other companies. That is not what I mean to say. Similarly, in the pharma sector, we are just manufacturing the medicines. We are not getting them made in, right? We are not getting them actually formalized in India, right? We are often using the generic versions. We are often using the such formula which are already patented in the different countries, right? Innovation is lacking in these fields, right? So that is why these technological missions are very futuristic, and they are probably going to transform the Make in India initiative, where we will be also looking forward to develop the technological advancement in our manufacturing sector. Okay, everyone. So let us have a sample question with for all of you, that consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. Statement number 1 says that the Ministry of Automobiles and Transportation has recently launched the Aspire project, right? And this project will be aimed to make India a global hub for automotive industry, right? So you have to choose that which of this is incorrect. Which of this is incorrect? Your options will be like only 1, B will be only 2, C will be on both of these are incorrect, and D will be none of these are incorrect. All right. So guys, in that case, what will be your choice? Right. What will be your choice of the answer? So you can definitely tell in the comment box. Right. You can definitely tell in the comment box. And for example, just try to tell me the answer in the comment box, and you can also note down one theoretical question that the recent shift in the stance of government regarding manufacturing sector is expected to give fruitful results. In view of this statement, discuss about the major initiatives taken by government to enhance the manufacturing sector in India, right? And your word limit that will be like 200 words. I know that there are answers of either 150 words or 250 words, but guys, sometimes it is possible that you may get a question of 200 words also. So just try to practice this particular question on the line of 200 words. Okay, and let me tell you that this particular question, the incorrect one, okay, the incorrect one, that will be obviously the statement number 1 here. All right, so guys, try to answer this question as well, and make sure that if you are preparing for the UPSC, so guys, you are most welcome to join our platform for the further guidance and for the serious preparation guidance to all the candidates for all the examination, especially if you are preparing for the UPSC or the EPFO. So guys, we will be more than happy to guide you throughout with our special program that will be the Gradeup Super for you. And in this program, you will be provided a lot of benefits, especially that you will be getting the free access, unprohibited access to all the running and upcoming courses, along with the daily structured study plan and expert faculty members, along with the best study materials and the mock tests and the sectional tests. So guys, speak to our counselors today. Call on this number in case you have any queries or if you want any counseling, and make sure that all the faculties will be highly qualified with the appearance in the interview of the UPSC examination at least once or more than once, right? So guys, I will be teaching you the subject of history, and I will be also taking certain classes on the certain contemporary issues and all that. So I will be looking forward for all of you to join us as soon as you can, and join our Telegram group also for the further guidance. And guys, make sure that please, if you like this video, so don't hesitate to give a thumbs up. बिल्कुल अगर पसंद आया हो तो आप उसको लाइक कर दीजिए और शेयर करिए इसे अपने दोस्तों के बीच में, ताकि उन्हें भी अंदाजा लगे कि 6 टेक्नोलॉजिकल मिशंस या ऐसे ही कई सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक हैं जो शायद उन्हें नहीं पता होंगे। तो गाइज, उन्हें भी ये चीज़ पता होनी चाहिए। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू। टेक केयर एवरीवन, बाय बाय, एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।